Peppa and the river clean up. Hello, little hearts. Welcome back to Dear Little Hearts, where every adventure teaches kindness, courage, and fun. Today, Peppa and her friends are going on a very special mission, so don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell icon, and join our loving storytelling family. It was a bright and sunny morning in Peppa's neighborhood. Birds chirped happily, the grass glistened, and Peppa woke up feeling energetic. Mummy Pig, what are we doing today? Peppa asked excitedly. Mummy Pig smiled. Today is a special day, Peppa. We're going to have a picnic by the river. Peppa gasped. Ooh, can we invite Susie Sheep and Danny Dog? Of course, Mummy Pig said. The more, the merrier. Before long, the whole family, Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig arrived at the riverside. Susie, Danny, Pedro, and Rebecca Rabbit joined them, all carrying snacks in baskets. But as soon as they reached the riverbank, Peppa frowned. Oh no! Look, she said, pointing toward the water. The river, usually sparkling and clear, looked muddy and filled with plastic wrappers, bottles, and bits of paper floating around. A duck waddled by, quacking sadly. Mummy, Peppa said softly, the river looks sick. George nodded. Dirty river. Miss Rabbit, who was nearby organizing boats, overheard them. Yes, children, the river has gotten messy because people forgot to throw rubbish in the bin. Peppa looked around at her friends. This isn't right. The animals can't live happily in a dirty river. Danny Dog raised his hand. Let's clean it, Susie Sheep added. Yes, we can all help. Daddy Pig smiled proudly. That's a wonderful idea. A river cleanup. Miss Rabbit brought gloves, buckets, and long sticks to pick up trash. Here you go, everyone. Let's work together. Peppa put on her little pink gloves. This is Peppa's river cleanup team. Ready? Ready! Everyone shouted. They spread out across the riverbank. Susie collected paper scraps. Danny picked floating plastic bottles. George found a rubber duck toy stuck in the mud and held it up triumphantly. Ducky, he giggled. Rebecca Rabbit helped Miss Rabbit pull out a tangled fishing net. Daddy Pig carefully lifted a broken toy boat from the shallow water. Even Mummy Pig joined in by sorting the trash into recycling bins. As they worked, the river slowly began to sparkle again. Peppa heard quacking and looked up. The ducks were happily swimming again in the cleaner water. They're happy now, she cheered. Miss Rabbit clapped her hands. You've all done a wonderful job. The river looks beautiful again. They laid down a picnic blanket and celebrated with fruit, sandwiches, and juice. Peppa watched the river sparkle in the sunlight. Helping feels so good, she said. George nodded happily. Good river. Daddy Pig raised his juice box. To teamwork and taking care of our home. Everyone cheered. As they packed up to leave, Peppa whispered, I promise to always keep the river clean. The ducks quacked as if saying thank you. Thank you, little hearts, for joining Peppa on this important adventure. Remember, you can help the earth too, just like Peppa. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell, and join us again for more magical stories on Dear Little Hearts. Morals of the story. Keeping the environment clean protects animals and nature.